Unbelievable when you see the how intense this was and the area that covers. We have our map right here. We're going to just take this full. We'll show you what we're talking about. The actual center was a place called Sagaing in Myanmar, which used to be called Burma. That's 7.7 magnitude earthquake. Damage as far, look at the bottom of your screen, Bangkok, Thailand. We saw the amazing damage. That's how far, over 600 miles away, the intensity of this earthquake, the magnitude of it, and obviously we're still seeing some survivors. They're still trying to find people, and just the devastation that it caused in Myanmar, and also all the way down into Thailand.
There was one video that I saw over the weekend that was just there was two buildings, and one was connected with that, and then seeing that break and sway.
Yes.
And also video people that were in the pools on top of the water. That's absolutely staggering. And Larry, we've been seeing a lot of ongoing aftershocks that are happening with this situation as well.
Which happens anytime you have a huge earthquake like that. Some of the aftershocks are magnitude 5 and 6, causing even more damage in those parts of the world. The third world countries where the people are poor, obviously a lot of the buildings are not well built, and so that's why you're seeing all the damage. But when you just look at this is the center right here to see how far away Bangkok is. That's how intense this particular earthquake was, and not to say that area couldn't see more on the way, but 7.7, if that hit in the United States, that would cause a lot of damage right here.
And I was looking at things real quickly because aftershocks can actually happen up to a year afterwards. There's actually an 8% chance they could have another magnitude 7, and they're expecting up to 70, at least magnitude 4s, which is ones you can be feeling about 7 magnitude 5s over the next year.
And just imagine the fear that these people have from what they've had. Not that they haven't experienced that before, but certainly in countries like Myanmar is not only is the earthquake, but there's currently a civil war going on in that country. And so that causes more conflict, more difficulty for the people there. I did notice this morning that the United States is, now we're not an ally of Myanmar. We are of Thailand, obviously, but the United States has immediately sent $2 million in aid to Myanmar to help with the recovery. And then I'm sure more of that. There'll be rescue groups moving into those areas. But once again, the unfortunate situation in that country, Myanmar, which used to be called Burma, is the fact there's a big conflict going on there right now, a war going on, civil war.
Yeah, so he pretty much just has the worst got even
without
turned worse to end the situation. Yeah.